Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Paul.
And Cinnamon.
And today we're going to be going through a walkthrough of the 2019 Jayco Northpoint 387 RDFS.
Oh boy, hope you enjoy the walkthrough. Thanks for joining our channel.
This is a Jayco 387 RDFS K1LZ. I keep on adding things to it. Oh my. So this one, again, is the Jayco Northpoint 387 RD, so RDFS, 77,000. That's pretty cool, little bamboo.
Oh
Yeah. Nice little area for your coffee center or whatnot. Pretty standard. Not bad.
Lots of good storage in the closet.
Yeah.
I guess you have to take these out.
Yeah. You take those out and then wash and dry will go in there.
That doesn't open.
It's low.
It is low, yeah.
But at least has a spot you can put a bigger TV.
Yeah. Covers the window.
Yeah, it would. Well, this started covering the window, so this would have to go.
Sure.
Yeah.
Just basic.
Yeah, very basic. Did like the one with the inclining bed. That's kind of cool, but yeah, it's alright. J Smart
So this is about the length of
Magnum frame. Auto leveling.
I think so, because this comes out even. Or it comes
This
in.
is like that fake leather again. This one has an ottoman in the middle. It's kind of weird.
Stuff.
But the TV does go down. You have a window, which is kind of cool. All right, it's good to go.
Pretty basic.
There you go. Pretty basic. Do a quick walk around. It's got some outdoor speakers. I feel like all of them have outdoor speakers now. This does have a TV. Folds in. Look at that. We'll put that back. Oh, this has got the two propane tanks, one on both sides. I don't know why they did that. Generator access, I'm assuming. Seems like a small compartment for a generator, but it is. It's got a lot of space in there for your extra stuff, like your batteries and inverters and whatnot. Oh, it's got two over here, so it's got 3 propane tanks. That's pretty cool. Huh, Northpoint by Jayco. Another huge storage bay, you got a filter, all your waters. Pretty cool. Slam latch, I guess I call it. Oh, I like this one a lot. Because it has this huge storage. Look at this thing. It's insane. Oh my goodness. I mean, jeez. What is that, like 7 foot? Right? I mean, that just makes a huge difference in like
Look at all the
just portability.
openings
Yeah.
on the sides.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
That's really cool. Sure.
It's the best storage.
I know. And it's got a receiver hitch so you can put like a bike rack.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. That's very cool. It's got a big cord, but I don't know if it's a reel. No, it's not the reel. I like the reel. That's really cool. I like the ones that have the reel.